So hey everyone, so today we have healthy deliciousness at home, and today I am making some garlic Parmesan chicken and a creamy sauce along with some cauliflower rice and regular rice, and also I will be making some okra, string beans, or broccoli. I haven't determined which one I want to make yet, so just stay tuned to see my updates and what I have done so far. The pan fried chicken. I have my onions and garlic sauteing. I pan fried the chicken already, so stay tuned. So y'all, I'm about to add spinach to the sauce. The vegetable I decided to make is broccoli, so it's cooking up. Delicious. And then I have my lemon garlic chicken with a homemade sauce and also white rice.
You gonna burn yourself.
Kai.
Alright, thanks.
So I guess that was good, you guys.
Can you make it again? I'm doing good.
She want me to make it again.
Alright, I'm gonna taste the rice too.
Just taste the rice.
No, I'm gonna taste the rice.